Welcome back to Automotive World, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Genesis G90 S. Genesis has been making waves in the luxury segment, and the G90 S is here to prove that it can go head-to-head with the best in the business. With a stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and a powerful engine under the hood, the G90 S is a statement of pure elegance and innovation. Let's start with the design. One look at the 2025 Genesis G90 S, and you know this car means business. The front grille is massive and boldly sculpted, featuring Genesis's signature Crest Grille with a mesmerizing G-matrix pattern. The split LED headlights add a futuristic touch, while the sleek lines and smooth curves create an aura of refined sophistication. From the side, the long wheelbase and elegant proportions ensure that the G90 S looks as premium as it feels. The rear end is just as impressive, with slim, wraparound LED taillights and a subtle yet sporty integrated spoiler. This is a luxury sedan that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of absolute comfort and high-end craftsmanship. Genesis has outdone itself with the interior of the G90 S. The cabin is a perfect blend of Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents, creating a space that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car. The seats are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and even feature a massage function, making long drives feel effortless. The rear seats are just as luxurious, offering executive-class comfort with reclining capabilities and an advanced entertainment system. The attention to detail is astonishing, from the ambient lighting to the handcrafted materials used throughout the cabin. Technology is where the G90 S truly shines. A massive curved OLED display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. The user interface is intuitive and responsive, featuring Genesis's latest AI-powered voice assistant and seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures that every note is crystal clear, transforming the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. The G90 S also comes with an augmented reality head-up display, giving drivers real-time navigation and safety information right in their line of sight. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 S packs a serious punch. It is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing an impressive 409 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system, the G90 S delivers a smooth yet exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, the adaptive air suspension ensures a ride that is both comfortable and dynamic. The car's sound insulation is top-tier, making the cabin whisper quiet even at high speeds. Safety is a top priority for Genesis, and the G90 S is loaded with the latest driver assistance features. It includes a comprehensive suite of advanced safety tech, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. One standout feature is the remote smart parking assist, which allows the G90 S to park itself with minimal driver input, perfect for tight urban spaces. The car also features highway driving assist 2, an advanced semi-autonomous system that makes long-distance driving safer and less stressful. The 2025 Genesis G90 S is more than just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. It proves that Genesis is ready to challenge the established players in the ultra-luxury segment. With its breathtaking design, world-class interior, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, the G90 S is a true competitor to brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi. And the best part, Genesis offers this level of refinement at a price that undercuts its German rivals, making it an unbeatable value proposition. So, what do you think about the 2025 Genesis G90 S? Does it have what it takes to shake up the luxury sedan market? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching Automotive World, and we'll see you in the next video.